Maybe I'm mute. Hello, and welcome back to another episode of The Captain of Industry. We have a huge queue of stuff that we need to do or fix, and we have a piling problem. Processing of the sorting of the recycling. Now, this is actually a bigger problem than you might think. Eventually, gonna come into the delivery problem, I guess, would be the best. You can see that it's already kind of piling up in the background with maintenance. Now I would say, oh, why don't you just build more maintenance? Yeah, it creates more recyclables, and I'm perfectly happy with recyclables, so we just need to build another factory, which we do not have enough resources for. We will shortly. But how do you sort this waste? That's a good question. That's a big question. And for now, since we are in the steel mill, the only way we can do this, the best way I believe it should be done, is to get all this iron separated first, because iron is the most common thing that's being recycled, very, very closely followed by the copper. And gold and glass is a little bit on the low side, but these two are the most important things. I will try to sort them. Just thinking. Sort them straight away. We will need bigger conveyor belts for both of those, because currently in this one's waste sorting plant we're getting more. Once we build the second sorting plant, they're gonna distribute the load between. So it's going to be a little bit easier, but in the meantime it will be a little bit, it's going to be how it is. It is what it is. Can we build this over? No, looks like this is way too short for us to build there. So all of these guys are going to have to be totally separated. You gotta keep them separated. Okay, so this is not necessary, so I think I can do this. We're already causing problems here, so might as well. And this is going to be... I'm just gonna go like this, and then you can introduce the U-shaped connection here, and build this. This should be enough. Bear in mind that all recyclables are being recycled straight away. Metal, so that's not a big deal. The second thing we're gonna have to do, I'm gonna do this way. I think this is the best way to do it. You can see that we're using the bigger conveyor belts as well, that are using the red parts. We need 450 of these recyclable parts in order to make this function. Technically we can connect copper here, but I don't know if this is the smart way to do it. I'm thinking how I can build big storages around here. Bigger storages. I mean, do we need bigger storages? Maybe. Coffee time. I have a big bucket of coffee and I'm not afraid to use it. Let's see. What's mining over here? What's growing on? Let's go bit by bit in this direction. I think I'm gonna have to tackle this problem a little bit more seriously. You see here, we are processing some coal. There is a lot of rock, and it's out of delivery of rock over here. I'm gonna have to deliver rock. Oh wait, why am I not squeezing this medical equipment here? That will give me more wiggle room for the rail infrastructure. What I was originally planning on doing is the overpass here over so build a railroad here and overpass for the mine, so miners can do that. And then I changed my mind, and then I changed my mind again, and then I changed my mind again, and I guess here we are. Right. This looks also not ideal for us. Let's see. This is the. Let's replace. No. You need to be replaced by this one, hydrogen. There we go. One by one. So we have a new nuclear power plant. Okay. It should be working fine, 100%. Water goes around. This is something that we should be potentially concerned about. I'm gonna unpause one of the water pumps. How are we doing human-wise? We have 41 people working. I'm unpause one more pumping station, see how this is gonna react to that. This is not gonna run out of water because this is priority. All the water mined from here or extracted from here goes into nuclear power plant first. Then we have some of it going in this direction. Do we have storage for water here? Yes. Gold storage. Not prioritizing it though. Should have done that probably. But for now I'm gonna ignore that problem. Potential problem. Let's go from the oldest to the newest. Coal problem. I'm working on this. This is gonna be a second excavator here, big one, mega excavator, and a couple of big trucks. Just making sure we have 2 of these and 2 of these. Yeah, we're gonna get coal mining is gonna get one more excavator. This looks like it's improving now. I bet it's only because they're getting this coal that might be a little bit richer now, but it will get poorer as we go, so don't get your hopes up. So coal, leave it there. Ethanol going lower. This is the problem that we were supposed to be resolving with this. And you can see the problem with this. If we build it... if we build this, we're not gonna have enough for recycling, so ethanol, I believe, will have to hold for now. I will just do this, and I will do this as well. Like this, and like this. Coffee time. Oh! Whoa, 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 wee wah. Okay. First red flag, notify when full. We need, we have electric trains. We need this. What do we need for that? We have basic computing, that's perfect. We're gonna need to start recycling this waste. This is gonna go, this is gonna be a big project as well. We're gonna start getting plutonium, and then plutonium is gonna be turned into MOX, and the MOX is gonna be used in our power plants. Which one? Probably I'm gonna go with the second one here. I'm gonna empty this storage from spent fuel, switch this totally to MOX, because we're gonna have a huge stockpile of spent fuel and still generating spent fuel. This is gonna be using spent MOX in higher quantities because this reactor is gonna be upgraded eventually. And then we will have the spending of MOX, slowing spending of nuclear. Technically, no. I'll see as we go. Okay, limestone is another big project I wanted to put on my back, but looks like I'm doing a poor job with that. And one big thing I still didn't make a decision on will be aluminium mining. I am building a bridge to aluminium, and it's going very slowly. Bauxite mining, I'm still thinking that it would be better for us to import bauxite. Import bauxite, yeah. Where to import it? It's another harbor, another setup. I have no idea at the moment, so yeah. I'm also seeing here, let me see the hydrogen statistics. Yeah, I had a dream. I had a dream how to deal with the hydrogen, how to deal with hydrogen supply. This needs to run to a certain degree. Let me see this now. How many steel mills we have? We have 8. We count 8, it doesn't matter the level, because we need 18 oxygen. And this is the only way we're gonna be getting oxygen is from hydrogen, from electrolyzer. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of these need to work, no question about it. Rest of it is overproduction, and a lot of it goes through this chimney out in the atmosphere because we don't need that oxygen. So these need to work. Only everything after that, if we have overproduction of hydrogen, this is where we're gonna pause the production of these. So this here should not, it should be removed, but I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna go and pause these guys and see how our hydrogen reacts, because hydrogen is full almost everywhere. So I'm perfectly happy with that. And this is a very small production of hydrogen. These bigger electrolyzers are 4 times bigger. Yeah, 4 times bigger. Okay, let's go. We need to slow this down. We need to resolve the issue with these guys. If we're gonna combine conveyor belts, we need to decide where all of this is going to go. So we can potentially start building it this way. 2, 3. We will have a problem with these vehicle parts. I am 100% sure we will not. We will not use this. More than one of these factories. So, yeah, that's fine. And then we can remove this and remove this. They will move it to this warehouse. This is gonna be filled very slowly, so no problem. I will be moving this. We're gonna have a couple of big storages. Will they have access to this one as well? Hope so. I can move this also here. Because they only have 2 different materials. We can do it like this, and I will unpause this and this. There we go. Did we build a mega excavator? Yes, we did. How many dumper trucks we have? We have 14. I think that's more than I remember, so let's go 1 and this one. Still not enough. Like, rock is rock. Yes, we need to get rid of it. We have a couple of locations where we're dumping rocks. Now, next vehicles we're gonna have to upgrade or get is the dumper trucks. I'm gonna build them from scratch because we're gonna need a lot of them. Big dumper trucks. Dumper trucks are dumping rocks over here, building the pier, and the second big dumping site is building the island here, unfortunately. Big vehicles cannot come here, it's only small ones that are coming. Unfortunately also, another unfortunately, is nobody's coming here. Nobody's coming to save us. There is no vehicles incoming because they can't cross the bridge, only small ones can. Oh dear god, no. Oh shoot. I don't like this. Let's do this way. Let's do this way, and then... Let's hope that this is going to be enough for our excavators to work on this. That's fine, that's fine. You do you. Okay. We are slowly in the territory of having enough to do the recycling thing. But once you take into consideration that we need the big storage piles, yeah, we're not even close. I think we're gonna have to switch everything to this recycle or mixed recycling. This is going to be something that it doesn't exist anymore. We can need 1, 2, 3, 4. Will we have enough for 4 of these? How are we doing with Unity? Unity is good. You can remove this. Oh. Did they? Oh my god, they did. Oh yeah, they didn't deduct my Unity. That's fine. Right, so we need to put this one in operation. Whoa. Why is this not working 100% now? Wait. Ah. This is not it. This is still working on 100%. It's just that this conveyor belt here wasn't upgraded. Now it's upgraded, so... but it is now more space here. I don't know what this situation was. Was it just a load of... That doesn't matter. This one is working on 100% constantly for last 10 years. So this is definitely a thing that needs to be done. So recycling upgrade is the next thing for Fiddy. Well, we can start this, but it's going to be clogged straight away if we can't evacuate the materials. So this is going to be one of them. Let's see how much space is this going to take. Glass over here. glass over here. I'm thinking of moving glass on this side as well. It's just the elevation here. Let's do this. Okay. Let's pause this just to empty the conveyor belt. We actually don't need to pause this. We can... let's build a big storage here. It's only yellow parts. Only human. Will vehicles be able to access this? That's a good question. I don't know. Well, let's test it out. And this is going to be glass. Deliver up to 400. Yeah, that's too many notifications. We're up to 20. I really need to be resolving these. Unity is not... sorry, Unity. The maintenance is not a problem anymore. You need to resolve that. Okay, and then... let's... while we wait for this, let's see if we can check the sizes of our storages. Huh! It's literally gonna fit, like, just about. That would be... oh. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, wait. What? Oh, this needs to be removed. Come on, remove it. Remove this. Yeah, there we go. Somebody is on the job. Yeah, when this is removed, everything is gonna fit. We're gonna have 4 big storages. Vehicles will be able to go around. I might even block this, let them go even around this one. We'll see. Later on there's gonna be railroad here. We have iron mine there. We'll see. Mining designation. Is that perfect timing? I don't know. Nothing is perfect timing, so... I need to go down this path. This mountainside needs to be removed. We need to see how much iron is here, and looks by the looks of it, it's gonna be a lot. And even more is gonna fall down, so I will just remove some of these. I'm gonna remove all of them. I will mark some of it like this, just to know where the line is, and to see how much we're gonna get from crashing down the mountainside here. Oh, this is going worse and worse. This is not ideal. And steel is not backing up, usually it was. You see, again we have the recycling problem. This is constantly working at 100%. So, yeah. That is a problem. How do we resolve this? This one doesn't need to be built. We can just leave it as it is, because this is for aluminum recycling. That's gonna be later. Okay, we're gonna need a little bit more materials for all of these setups. Can I pull the band-aid off here? Like, pause this. Can I don't even know if I can pause this, man. I can build this, and they will accept. Yeah, but then I won't have the red materials needed. Yeah, I won't have the red materials needed for this. Like, I need to pause this factory. I need to empty all of this. This is going to be a shock for the system, and then put big storages in these conveyor belts into storages. And then I'm gonna have to... oh, I didn't think how these conveyor belts are gonna be connected to these conveyor belts. Because how am I supposed to empty this from here? I can rotate some of them in one or the other direction, but especially the last one here won't have any space to... you know what? Let's do it like this. What you need to do is plan. Plan. How is greenery doing here? This looks like it's progressing a little bit faster, but it's still nowhere near. This needs to be leveled. Okay, so what I'm thinking about the factory design here. So that would be under recycling. So let's go with 2 recycling areas. So we're gonna have the 2 inputs. This is output. Okay. F, and then we have this one. So these are two inputs. We don't have compressed waste. We don't deal with compressed waste. We have input. This is pretty much straightforward. Whatever the size of input is, that's it. This is the size of the output. So what I did on this side is something like this. And the last one doesn't need sorter. We can do it potentially inwards, but I'm thinking if I need to scale this up even further, that we can have the something like this. Let's say that this last one, that's gonna be aluminum. We need to plan for that because eventually it's gonna be recycled as well. Now this needs to be sorted somehow. The iron is going straight away into the steel mill, so this is not a problem, and this one is getting whatever. We can do it like this, just to represent that iron is resolved. So we have 4 other storages that we need to deal with. Do we want to do it in this direction? Like, let's see how big these storages will be. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are big suckers. How do I fill them? So I'm thinking, if I do it this way, if I cut these and align this one with, let's say, this here, to kind of balance it out. No, I think it would be better if they're closer to the middle, like this. But how do I fill them then? Obviously, elevators. Obviously, elevators. So the first one would be this one. U-shaped lift. I'm gonna go from this side with the smallest one. U-shaped lift here. We can do this one, F, this way. Will this work? It doesn't matter which one is which, but what the hell was that? Like this. Okay, so how do we connect these? I think it would be the best to do lowest one first, and then this one here second, and this one third. I don't know. It just looks. And how do I implement? And I need to connect these. Yeah, this is the funky part. This is not as big deal as it seems. This is number 1. This is number 2. And number 3 needs to go all the way here, which is kind of... Oh my god, I hate this. I could do the elevators instead of this. I did try this before, but bear in mind there's 3 sizes of elevators. So that's gonna be a challenge in its own right. So I can do elevators like this, U-shaped lifts. Okay, these are 3 different heights. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. And then these guys have enough space that they can be just connected to this, and to this. I can do better job, especially with the last one here. The problem is, how do I connect the next level? Probably the same here, and then I don't know. We'll see. But looks a little bit nicer this way. So what I need to do here is probably just let's copy it rather than cut it. So this would have to go here, and obviously the storages are not fitting anymore, so storages are out of the question. So these, I will have to move storages away. Are we having any big problems? Let's go through the messages first. Coal storage. Let me just remove. Actually, let me leave all the excavators, even the small ones here, because whoa. Yeah, now we're getting here, and we're not getting any wiser with the coal. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to stop messing around with the coal, and still messing around, thinking that this is better option. This is enormous amounts of rock here. Okay, stop it. Shit. All of this looks bad. All of it looks bad. Let's go. Let's start here. Let's do this. And let's see how was the quality of coal here. I think we have some angle on the mountain here before we get to the rock. So I'm just hoping to resolve this coal problem as soon as possible. And then I'm gonna wiggle around, potentially even dealing with the import of coal from the other island. This coal is not being used by anything else but the industry. Oh my god, I can do it by moving myself away from coal industry. Did I do this? Yes, I did. Okay, so how much coal are you using? Decent amount. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm doing this. We have a lower level connection. That's fine. We have that, and we have that, and we have the third one, which we don't know what it is. That's the coal. We're gonna have to switch from coal to sand here. Okay, and that's gonna be purple parts, right? We need to deal with the recycling. Low supply of copper. Am I doing it again? Am I messing around with copper now? I will need to upgrade. I want another big excavator here, but do I have time to wait for it to be upgraded? Oh my god, I'm messing up so much. Okay, stopping copper. Let's go. We need copper. We need arc furnace. We need the best one. How much do it cost? 175. We just have about for one of these. I'm gonna rotate this like this one here for no apparent reason. So click and build this. Can we build it? Yes, we can. We're gonna go and connect the water pipe. We can't connect anything. Let's just rotate sand. Is it needed? Yes, it is. Coal is not needed. Go away. And this is also not going to be needed. I'm going to just remove it because I'm going to use it later. Just to empty the conveyor belt. This conveyor belt needs to be connected elsewhere, which is going to be one of these two, probably in the coal area. So this is going to remove at least 15 per minute or 9, depending on what we're using for recycling, coal per minute. This action that we're doing right now. And I think, is it lowering pollution? I think it's even lowering pollution. That's fine. So this is probably the best thing we can do for coal. We could do the same thing for glass also, but kind of similar. Oh yeah, I should have done it for glass first because I now have this. I just built it before this episode. We have the two of these. How much do you cost? Arc furnace? Oh my god, it's a red construction parts. Okay, coal, ethanol, low supply of ammonia. That will be a big problem. Household items low. Why is it low? Are we have, let's see, production, consumption. No, it was just from before. So household goods, remove that. Low supply. Whoa. Oh, sugarcane. That's fine. We're still waiting for this farm. Materials for the farm. Low supply of fruit. That's a that's here as well. No, but it's here. Wait, what? How are we getting less fruit? No, we're getting more fruit. Shut up. Go away, fruit. Uranium powder. Oh, big problem. Big problem. Didn't we get the second excavator? Yes, we did. We need more vehicles? We do. And it's all in red. So let's get 2 more vehicles. Because this is not becoming better. Uranium is now at 0. That's a bad one. We need this uranium. Okay, this one is going up and up, but I need to take it more seriously. So let's see, uranium and uranium. Just remove it from the list. And then we have sugarcane, copper ore, ignoring until my problems disappear. Low supply of glass. We did turn the next one on, the furnace. This is being resolved. Low supply of iron ore. I'm really not happy about this, but I think this one is going up, so I don't know if this is going up or not, but I'm gonna go and ignore this one as well. Where's the other iron ore? I think I removed it. I didn't. Here we go. High supply of slag. Yeah, this is another thing. I think I think it's this one here. I think I'm gonna go and speed this guy up because we are getting more and more slag, and I actually did reduce his speed because I thought after the I don't know, slag spike, we had we resolved the issue with slag, but it doesn't seem so. Vegetables are going down, potentially. I'm gonna have to address that. Let's see, do we have any sugar cane with vegetables? No, we have potatoes and fruits. Vegetables. No, this is only grains, so no go. Vegetables and we'll see. Okay, high supply of slag. Arc furnace has no recipe. This is the whole point. Let's go. Wait, no, this one here. Let's go with the recyclable copper first, and then this one. Now bear in mind that we need to remove some of the infrastructure. So for example, you need to go. This is coal. We need to remove coal as well. And this guy here is sand. Sand is definitely needed. So we need copper and or recycling. Looks like there's a lot of recycling going at the moment in here. That's perfect. We will be resolving it. We need to go for bigger conveyor belts. So sand and these materials need to go in, and the last two are pipe for water. Yes, please. And we need the fat lift, also known as flat lift. There we go. Build this, and now we have a couple of smaller issues. That would be water output or steam output. Boom. And build it. So now I'm assuming that this should work now. It has slag connection, it has steam connection, it has molten channel and pollution, so all of this should be fine. So next level would be next one of these furnaces. Electricity should be fine. We're missing mining. Mining. Belt. Let's go for one layer in each direction. I'm happy to go like this, maybe. We'll see how I'm gonna go. Right, hydrogen. Oh, no. No. Coal. We're missing coal again. And them being full here, that's bad. Electric trains, no research. Let's go for MOX. Many small problems are arising that we need to resolve, and I'm actually quite happy about this. This is my biggest headache here, resolving these. Looks like it is kind of resolved. This one is now lagging behind a bit. But this is it. This is what we need to put in here, and just align. You know what we need to do? We need to do this. Let's cut this. I see it clearly now that the rain is gone. Here. It needs to be aligned with this. All of this. Yeah, that's fine. So this is how it's supposed to look like. How much is all of this going to cost? Well, let's reconnect everything. So we have the lowest one here. I'm gonna build the smallest conveyor belts, even though, well, you know what? Let's not mess with the copper. Copper is gonna be this one here. So copper goes in here. Should I go with the other ones as well? Maybe I should. And then we have the highest level. Okay, and the last one is the invisible one. The invisible one is the aluminium that won't exist. Aluminium, yeah, that's it. So this needs to be implemented here, and let's see, I do not have the first one, so after this, so all of this needs to go. And after this needs to... Whoa, what is this? Oh, I want to say, is it perfect time now? I don't know. I would have to build this first, because... let's see how much all of this is going to cost. This is going to cost 313 and 40 Unity. Unity is almost there, 313. That means we are not that far away from what we need. Do I unclog this? Actually, you know what? If I build this... it needs to be connected to the existing. You see this conveyor belt here? Okay, okay. I want to say, you see how it's full? I thought that maybe there's more than 200 copper and everything else, but no, it's less than 100, so it's doing fine. It's doing fine. Copper... Yeah, I don't think this is gonna be a big deal, because I'm not gonna be stopping iron processing, so it's gonna go out all the time. It's just gonna be backlog of copper, which is gonna give us like 3 minutes of time to do all of this. Yeah, yeah. Oh, can I do it little by little? How does this look? Well, it's only 2 storages are gonna be built if I do this. And some... Nah, I'm just gonna wait for this. Okay, let's speed up. We need the 450 and 313. Oh my god, that's 800. Is it really 313? No, it's not 313. We don't need the small one. So it's 250. That would be 500. That's 500. 700. Is it 7 or 800? 700, I think. Wait. Let's have you like this. 238. So that means 4, 5, 700. Yeah. Okay. So we are ready. And it's gonna be like this, 36. Ooh, okay, I'm doing it. I'm not using Unity, I'm gonna just let them do this. I will be... I wanna say I will be demolishing this, but I won't. I'll do it once this is done. We can unpause this one, right? Is it iron already selected? Yes, it is. Let's select here copper. Let's select here glass. Broken glass, right? It's broken glass. And the last one is the gold scrap. I'm thinking maybe better design here would be something like this, to have them connect to the... So the next recycling level would be connected like here, for example. Next recycling level would be connected here. Next recycling level... Oh. No, it should be fine. No, what the hell is this? Okay, looks stupid. One level, 2 level, 3 levels. So why is it? Oh no, it is. There we go. And then just have these connected. Next level is going to be connected into these. That should be fine. Okay, boom. That's it. That should be consuming all of these. This needs to be upgraded to higher level because now they can do over 200 on conveyor belts. So how much? Okay, so maintenance should be now fully restored because we're recycling. Do we need? Yeah, let's do Band-Aid. I guess. I hope that they're gonna be removing all of this as soon as possible. You still are allowed to release the iron. Come on. Why is iron not going out? Ah, because it's full of other stuff. Yeah, that's fine. Wait. If I do... Nah, I'll do it. I'll wait for it. I think it's still being absorbed. Look at this. This is very slow. Okay, there we go. I will use Unity for this one. Okay. Perfect. There we go. Let's remove this. I think this is it. We will have to go... I'm gonna go bit by bit. I'm gonna unpause this. So let's get copper removed. Okay. Copper is the second most common recyclable material. This is not going to work eventually, so I'm gonna upgrade this straight away. Next one, we're gonna go for broken glass. I put higher conveyor belts. And last one is this one. Yes, it's the last one. I will not do this. And boom. Okay, I'm hoping that this is it now. I don't know. It looks how it looks. I don't want to judge. Don't judge. Don't be judgmental. Don't be. Say something nice in the comment section. Okay, so I'm hoping that this is now working. You can see that they're working only about like 50%. Whoa. Why is this one not going? Oh, we didn't select here. So this is copper. Okay. This is glass. Okay, and we're gonna have to remove all of this because there was stuff here that we can't process. It's still there. There we go. That should be it now. We are missing one conveyor belt. And now we can even select this way. Boom. Come on, bell gold. Okay, how much are we getting here? 30... No, this just needs to empty. This is not how it works. It just needs to empty. It's not causing any problems. All of them are working perfectly fine. They had a little bit of boo-boo. Now it's gone. Low supply of vegetables. Let's deal with the other problems now. Okay, ethanol, low supply. That's fake news, I believe. It should be still... Nah, it's kind of flattening out. It's flattening out because these guys are going to slow down because there's not enough sugar. There's too much sugar here, so that means all the sugar produced here is going to go in only one direction. Let me see the recent... yeah. I think I'm going to be pausing some of these refineries just because there's no reason for them to work if there's not enough... storages for sugar are full now, so we don't have any problems with that. I think now ethanol will be getting all the sugar that it needs. They're just going to be refilling these conveyor belts. I hope that this is going to be not resolving it, but balancing where we are with in regards of sugar industry. Let's see consumption of sugar. This is 36. Now dropped off the cliff. 36. Was that for ethanol? I think that was for ethanol as well. I think I'm going to unpause this one. Just because I think I need at least this much. So we'll see how this reacts. If we have overproduction of sugar, not a problem. Turn it into alcohol easily. Okay, high supply of fuel gas. That's the hydrogen production. This is again, we paused earlier, this hydrogen production over here. It's still going up. We cannot stop these. period. So what we need to do here, in order to mitigate, to have a difference between the gas that is being delivered from the shipyard, from ships and everywhere else. So this needs to work. So we need to have these bad boys working constantly. I can see at least one of these can be shut down. I need to have a storage of natural gas that is going to be used as a priority, more or less priority, to process it into hydrogen. So what I'm gonna do here is build another gas storage. This one is banned now from receiving more gas. I will upgrade the infrastructure here, just to have a bigger capacity from these guys, because technically they cannot have more than 60, but from both sides, technically they can have more than 60, because 48, I saw 14 there, so from corn they could have like 4 times 14, that would be 56, I believe, from each side, so technically this can be bigger. This can grow more. I'm not sure if I should grow it more. I think it's just balancing the farms, adding or removing the vegetables and other stuff that we need here. High supply of slag. Just wanted to make sure that... Whoa, that's nuclear industries. I don't like that. Slag should go down. You can see peaks now going down because ship is faster coming back. So yeah, I think we're gonna need a bigger boat. We will need a bigger boat eventually, but now that it's using more hydrogen for faster travel, I think that's cool. Diesel one doesn't need faster travel because we are very much weaning off our oils. And here, these guys as well, I'm using the soil dirt, to refill some of the projects that I have here. So that means that we don't need to export that much dirt. That we don't need this ship to be fast. None of the other ships need to be fast. There is the upgrade issue, which I think we designed our ship or upgraded the latest levels, so I think our ship now can fight anything. Let's go and double check the ship designer, and it says here battle score 560. I think it can start fighting 610 ships. I will send it to first 610 ship with upgrade, and I think it should be able to handle it. We have one more, I believe, one more level of upgrades. That will be like 4 guns on each turret and upgraded ship engine, but that's down the line. Okay, we're already researching the nuclear reactor. That's gonna be expensive. We have space station and stuff that we need to deal with, but that's gonna be aluminium. That's gonna be in the next episodes, not episode. Looks like compost storage is doing very, very well. That means that we are processing all of our biomass. I'm really happy about that. Recyclables should be processed now much easier, better. Bigger trucks should be dealing with this as well. Is everything working out here? No, because I paused the glass and I never unpaused it. So you see how dumbass can be not sharpest tool in a shed? I mean, I could have left it here, so... let's do it like this. Let's do it the fancy way. Flat lift. Okay, and then flat lift from here. And you can go like this. And you can now... Glass, glass, glass. You can stop this and... do this and notify when empty. Okay, and build this one. So now we're gonna be getting glass. They're gonna be restocking glass here, and they're gonna be in the meantime emptying this glass. Okay, that should be it. Speed up, speed up, speed up. We need more materials, more vehicle parts, more everything. How is my cliff doing? Cliffhanger. Please clean the cliff edge. Vehicles are here. How are we doing with iron? Let's see, iron ore crushed. How you doing? On and off. But as long as we have iron here, this is good because it's being produced. We have the steel mills working. You can see that slag here is complaining a bit. It could be due to transport as well. Yeah, I think the purple parts are gonna slow down production because I need red parts restocked as well. We used a lot of red parts, so this is gonna be working for a while. Steel is needed for vehicle parts. Recycling is looking good. We just doubled the recycling. And what about the expansion of this? Yeah, I think a couple of things I could have done differently. First of all, I think I will want to... Yeah, whatever. Go away. Oh my god, you're so much stronger. Whoa. Well, that's not ideal. Seriously? Oh, come on, you should have won this. Okay, that's very strange. 610, do we have anything lower than 610? No. I thought we should be able to fight these guys. I don't know if I should be sending it anymore. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. I think we have everything that I need. Do we have any, like, scans? No, I think this would be the last things around. There is settlement here. Is it 610 here? I tried to send it here a couple of times just to get to this settlement, but yeah, that's BS. Ammonia, again, with the faster slag exports, I think ammonia is gonna be working. We're gonna get more ammonia. Yeah, I don't think this ammonia, this guy is gonna go anywhere anytime soon. Can you notify me when full, please? Yeah. Notify when full. Just so I can turn this on. Turn it into hydrogen if we need to. Right, so we decided to build this, and the thing that we need to build over here is balancer. Let's remove this, and then we're gonna put balancer here. And this is priority input. And all this other gas that we're getting from the ships, from exchange for dirt, it should go in here. Just select fuel gas. And now this gas is just storage from... I don't even know if we need this storage, but this is storage from the biogas production from anaerobic digesters. 75%, 75, 75, 90, 94. Yeah, I think if I pose another one, it will be just like a limit of what we are processing right now. So no go, no dice. Right, ethanol, let's see how ethanol is doing. Statistics, it's going down. This needs to be revived. Again, next project would be this farm. I think all of it is connected. Yes, we just need to build the farm. That's 250. We need 250. Oh wow, that's a lot of glass as well. But we need to restock. This is what I'm saying. We need to restock the purple parts and red parts, both of them. Let me just see. Why is this reactor not working? Oh, really? Because none of them are. Because none of them need to work. Okay. I'm gonna start pausing this. Nope, nope, nope. Pause this, and let's pause another one. No, this is the last one, right? Or whatever I did. Yeah, I think I already did it by mistake. Yeah, that's it. This is what we need. I just need to... what is our biggest... Oh, now it's 170. Oh, what? Okay, I think I'm gonna slow this down as well. Oh, right, I forgot about the main part, the boilers. Here we go. So I lowered everything to 155, and this is the highest one we had is 142, at least what I can notice. Yeah, we need to electrify, and we will. I will be eyeing the upgrade for the copper production, and bear in mind that our glass production needs to be moved over here. You can see how this is having a like spiky shape here. So what I'm trying to do is to get it, I think, like this somewhere. And I think this is gonna give us enough space here for railroad as well. The only problem I need to bear in mind is that these storages need to have access. There's a storage here. I mean, nah. I'm gonna squeeze it. I'm gonna squeeze it over here, closer. I just need this soil to be distributed. I think the things that I did with the soil. Oh, look at this, nice. I think they did this part as well. What we did with the gas here is gonna definitely have a gas supply in decent quantities. The problem we have here is if I have overproduction of hydrogen, how I tweak the hydrogen production is going to be through here, not through electrolyzers. These cannot go lower than this. If I have not enough hydrogen, I need to process this. And then if I don't have enough gas here, you can see that it's going over there, gas, but hydrogen is high. I'm thinking that I need to pause this because most of our gas needs to come from anaerobic digesters. This gas is just getting rid of the soil, and you know that I'm struggling with soil, dirt, that I want to green this area so I can build the glass production here. Oh my god, I have so many plants all over the place. This is a power plant. Oh my god, look at this guy here. Oh, potatoes are high. How Irish of me, making sure we have enough potatoes. Yeah, vehicles. We're at 83 vehicle parts. I think we need 138, I think. Hydrogen, 138, yeah, for the next vehicle. This is going to be next stop. Excavators, not yet. Copper. Let's have this copper ore crushed. Yeah, this is going down. We're going to have to address this. I'm having my vanity projects here, but it's almost done. I think I'm gonna go for good stuff now here. Let it play with this. Just do this part, and that's it. Because when they're done with this, I can close this part, I think. Okay, what's the other one? Limestone. Limestone. I don't know where to go for limestone. Slag. This is getting high, guys. You need to deal with this. Ship fully repaired. Okay, I said I'm gonna send it to this just to try to get the... I think we can win. I just don't... I think we can win. Even though we have weaker ship, I think we have more armor. Oh, I still didn't build this. I mean, I'll do this off screen, but I think this could be kind of perfect space for this. So, railroad. Here we go. I guess that's it. Oh, yeah, that's not gonna work. I think there was this angle thingy, and they had to have a loop. So I don't know. I'll play with this. This is definitely not how it's supposed to work. We cannot fit any parking here because all the turnarounds need to be bigger. So I don't think this is a good idea, what I'm doing here. So I'm gonna have to change that. High supply of slag. Let's go through the messages one more time. 58 minutes into this episode. Coal. Coal looks like it's... yeah, I don't want to say it. Oh, right. We can start dumping rocks. Again, this is a vehicle logistics problem more so than anything else. Let's try to remove these. And let's see how this is going to look. Yeah. let's start with this and let's see how they're gonna dump the rocks here, how it's gonna look after they dump all the rocks. But I'm gonna start pushing this mine in this direction. I think initially I'm gonna leave it like this because we need to get to this copper, but I don't think there's a lot of copper left in this area. So when I close this up, I'm gonna just be pushing mine in this direction and closing the hole here. This is also gonna give us access to oh, this is done. Let's unpause this. Right, they should have built now the ramp over here. I hope that they're using this ramp. Yeah. Anyway, we are slowly gaining to get the greenhouse built. Just to make sure what's happening with sugarcane. You can see the sugarcane is being harvested. The new batch is coming on now. And I think soon enough we're gonna have another batch here. We didn't decide what's the next crop we're gonna have. Let me see the veggies. Veggies are definitely on the downside, so I'm pretty sure this is veggies right there. Veggies. So sugarcane and veggies. We can build these. This is fine as long as it's not piling up on conveyor belts. Perfect. High supply of compost. I don't think I need this notification anymore. Yeah. Iron ore crushed. This is a problem. Oh, that's a big slowdown. Hydrogen. Is it low supply, really? Are we going down? Nah, we're not. I don't think we are. Hydrogen, fake news. Too much rock. That's definitely not fake news, but that's a logistics problem, which I'm hoping that they're gonna resolve on their own. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Boom! Boom! We won. Yeah, then I can explore this once the ship is repaired. Told you. I might push this. It depends on how much steel we're gonna have. I think mostly repairs are steel. But I'm gonna be pushing this. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, I have a description of the video. See you next one. Bye.